Good morning, children. So yesterday we have seen better questions and word problems on division. Now let us see some word problems that have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's see the first question. From a total of 10,000 rupees, Anna donated 7,000 rupees to a school. The remaining amount was to be divided equally among 6 students as all-rounder students' prize. What was the amount of each prize? Okay. So the question number 1, from total of Anna donated the remaining amount was to be divided equally among 6 students. What was the of each prize? So students, so out of total 10,000 rupees, Anna donated 7,000. So what is the amount left with Anna? So we will find it by subtracting 7,000 from 10,000. Okay. So then the leftover money is divided among the 6 students as a all-round student. So you have to find the prize amount that each student will gain. Got it better? So very first we will subtract 7,000 from 10,000. Total amount rupees 10,000. Amount, donated amount rupees 7,000. And if you subtract 8, you will get the amount left. Left with Anna. Okay, so the answer is 10,000 minus 7,000 is 3,000. So it was the amount left over with Anna. Now this amount is equally distributed among the 3 students. So what to do? We will divide this amount by 6. Rupees 3,000 is equally distributed to into 6 students. Therefore, each will get what to do better? Equally divided. So each will get, we will divide this 3,000 by 6. So what is the answer? 606 and this to 0. So answer is rupees 500. So each student. So what was the amount of each prize? So the price of each prize, therefore, amount of each prize is rupees 500. So got it better? So here we have first subtract and then divide. So it is what type of problem? It is the mixed problems. Got it better? Now let us see the another question. Okay, so and the question number 2 is an amount of 60 rupees each was collected from 50 students. An amount of 260 rupees each was collected from 50 students. For a picnic. For a picnic. If 11,450 was spent what is the amount left over? Okay, so got it better? An amount of 260 rupees each means each students get 260 rupees. Total number of students are 50. So what is the total amount collected from the 50 students? So we will multiply this 260 and 50. So we will get the total amount collected from the 50 students. Okay. Now, in the beginning, 11,450 rupees were spent. So we will subtract this 11,450 from the total collected amount, and then we will get the amount left over. Got it, beta? Okay. So number of amount collected, answer 260. Okay. And number of students is 50. And if you multiply them, what you get? The total amount collected. Okay. So multiply them. So it has 2 zeros. So we will put 2 0. 5 6 30. Carry over 3. 5 2 10 plus 3. Got it, beta? So total 13,000 rupees is collected from the 50 students at the rate of 260 per head. Okay. Now amount. Now it is the total amount. So amount spent is 11,450 rupees. Okay, rupees 11,450. So amount left over equals to it is the total amount collected from the 50 students, and it is the amount spent. So if you subtract them, so you will get the how much amount is left. So 13,000 minus 11,450. And what is the answer? Rupees 1,550. Okay. So this much amount was left over. Got it, beta? Okay. Now let us see one more example. Then I will give you some this type of questions for homework. And question number 3. A shopkeeper bought a sack of 50 kg of sugar for rupees 1,750 rupees. A shopkeeper bought kg of sugar for 1,000 rupees 1,750. As the price of sugar fell, as sugar pay, he had to say at the rate of 32 rupees per kg. Rupees 32 per kg. How much less amount did he get? Than he had spent. Okay, so read the question, beta. A shopkeeper bought a sack of 50 kg of sugar for rupees 1,750. So from this information we will find the rate of 1 kg. Okay, so 50 kg for 1,550. So what is the rate of this sugar? So we will get 1 kg, cost of 1 kg sugar. Okay. Now next question C. As the price of sugar fell, he had to sell at the rate of 32 per kg. But due to the fall of price, he sold it for 32 per kg. Now you have to find the how much amount did he get? Less amount did he get? So what to do, beta? First we will find the rate of 1 kg. Okay. So 50 kg for rupees 1,750. So from this information we will find the cost of 1 kg. So how will you find the cost of 1 kg? We will divide this by 50. So 1,750 and divided by 50. This 0 get cancelled and 175 divided by 5. So you can roughly find this amount. Okay. Or you can calculate here now. See. 0 get cancelled. So denominator has 5 and it is 175. So 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 50. Now see that it is 17. So we will subtract 50. So how much is left? 17 minus 15? 2. And we will write this 2 before this 5. So it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. So what is the cost of 1 kg? It is rupees 35. Okay. So he bought the sugar at the rate of 35 kg. Okay. Per kg. Okay. Now due to the sale of loss, he sold at the rate of 32 kg. 35 से उसने खरीदा 32 पे sold. He made a loss. Okay. Now we will find 32 per kg. So cost of, okay, it is the first part. Now it is the second part. Cost of 50 kg at the rate of rupees 32. So for that we have to multiply. Okay. So cost of 50 50 kg equals to 32 multiplied by 50. Okay. So multiply this 32 by 50. See, 0, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 2s are 15 plus 1, 16, 100 rupees. Okay, so after selling it, he got 1600 rupees, but he bought the sugar at 1750. So loss incurred equals to 1750 minus 1600 equals to what beta? 0 beta 0 0. So he had a loss of rupees 150. Got it beta? So in this way you can solve the mixed problems. Okay. So bye bye children.